Hey guys, I'm back in the video. I finally got it. Almost. The camera wiggled. Crap. So close. But yeah. You guys know that I have a decent amount of slime. So I don't think I showed you guys this one. But I got 3 in here. There was another one in here, but I added it into here. But where are my scissors? AKA, you might know what I'm doing. I said this in the last slime video. And if you don't know, you should just, I don't know. I'm kidding. But before we get started, if you know or don't know what we're doing, go smash that like button and hopefully subscribe. And I barely say that, but almost every single YouTuber says, smash the like button, subscribe. I say it on like every one out of 10 videos. But we're gonna get my first slimes out. This is actually nice. It's actually a really cute shade of purple. It's like a light purple, starting to form. It's like a nice. Oh, I can't even move my camera. There we go. Found a place. And you see, it's pretty stretchy. It's a little sticky, but it's slime. And I'm gonna cut it. Stab a hole through it. Oh, dang, really sticky. Gotta clean these scissors off. Oh crap! They have blue stuff on it. Now I have blue. Now I have makeup blue slime. It's okay. It's so relaxing. Okay, so let's just like cut it. I'm gonna try and dissect it. Let's get. Oh, my cat. God bless you, Carly. My cat up there just sneezed. I feel like I'm cutting into her body. Gotta be really careful. I don't even think there is inside to a slime. God bless you. She better say thank you in cat language. Okay. Let's clear that off. And this one, it's a little stretchy. The texture is pretty stretchy, but let's cut it. Comes right off, but it is really sticky. So let's try and dissect it very slowly. All of it comes with it. So let's try that one more time. Actually, yeah. Then let's open it. This one, you guys probably aren't going to be able to see it, but if you can't, or if you can, that'd be awesome, but probably can't. So there's a whole bunch of like these little spots in there. It's actually really cool. Let's not get these mixed, please. Probably should put them away, but I don't care. Actually, I do care, but this one's another one. So sticky. I almost cut myself. It gets sticky, but let's try and dissect it. No, that does not work. It comes all back together. Let's try and dissect it with the one. I want you forever, even when we're not together. But yeah, that's okay. It's okay. Ah, that hurt my ears. But let's move on to the good slime. Okay, so this was a little weird to block. It jiggles. And look. Almost got my finger off there. You see all these pieces. Can't get them all in my hand. None of them, like, look, I have them all in my hand. And they still, that's weird. It's like, what, they don't go together. Look. Don't drop. I need you guys. Okay, so let's try the other one of them. Okay, so this one's kind of funny because it made a bubble. I popped it, of course. But if you look, that's where the bubble was made. And it's so hard that it didn't form back together yet. Put the bubble. See? Come here. And this one's, again, the same thing. I'm going to chop this one up. Let's do this one slowly. If I said slowly, just doing it into smaller pieces. I really hope you can hear the sound because it's so crunchy. Let's try the test one more time. Okay, all in my hand. And nope, failed again. Oh, this is one of my least favorites. It's so it's like really sticky and liquidy at the same time. Like it might look like not sticky, but it's sticky. Oh my god, cough on. B&A, guess what? I'm in the middle of a YouTube video. Say hi to B&A. She wants help for homework. If Mr. Spicer sees this video, he's gonna kill you. I'll call you back, okay? Okay. Oh, but let's get back with it because we only have a few minutes left before it cuts me off. You can like... But yes, I can show you the solution. Oh my god. A solution is saline solution. Eye contact solution, basically. And you might be like, oh my god, why are you putting it on your desk? The slime should absorb it. Unless it's bad slime, then I can use it with my other stuff that's really sticky and put this in here. It's gonna make it like really liquidy and like fall apart, kind of. Trust me, normal. It's really normal. It's actually supposed to do that. Because it basically shows that it's sucking up. And then, keep playing with it. It should become better. It should start to suck it up. It's going to take some time for it to do it, but whatever. Still pretty sticky, but it's better. And we don't have any more time for the rest of them. And if you have any video ideas, and I'm sorry for all the people who commented a while ago, I have to watch my video back. And the Legos one I will be doing soon. And that is actually a promise, and I hate making promises. But it's a promise. I will be doing the Lego one soon. Like stepping on Legos. And some of them I might have to wait till summer because we don't really have a lot of ants. So we might have to wait till summer for a few of those. And guess what? My Stomping with Ants video hit 3.3K. 3,000 views. Oh my god. I was so hype. I was like, oh my god. Oh my god. Like, OMFG. OMG. Like, OMG. I can't believe I got 3,000 views. But this video's gonna get like 10. Well, if we get 5 likes, which means 5 people have to like it, then I'll do a challenge. Actually, I'll probably... Oh, I know something, but it's a surprise. Give me the 5 likes. It's a good surprise, trust me. It's not one of those bad surprises. I used to do this to my friends all the time. Like, do this for me and I'll give you a surprise. They're like, what's the surprise? They're like, you gotta wait. Like, I'm actually gonna take a nail file. Stab it. So, does it work? I'm gonna try to cut it with my nail file. Hate the sound of it rubbing on wood. I cut it. Like this. Can't get it in. It's too thin. Yikes, we're at 11 minutes. Okay, yeah, guys. Well, I guess that's going to be the end of this video. So I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.